Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. Welcome back to Makeup It Time with Julia. In today's video, this is the palette we are going to use. It's from Makeup Revolution. Look at all the shade. It's beautiful eyeshadow palette. Look at the back. Yeah, it's called Chilled With Cannabis. So first thing, I'm just gonna prime my eye with P. Louis base, of course. Just gonna dab that all over my eyelid. Now that is done, the first shade I'm going in with is Natural. I'm just gonna dab Natural all over my lid. I'm not blending, guys. I'm just dabbing it in because I want all the pigments. Just blending it now slightly. So the next shade I'm going in with is Leaf. So I'm just going to use Leaf to blend my brow bone, just to lighten it up a bit. That is the shade I'm using now, Leaf. Then the next shade I'm going in with is called Plant. I want my crease to be deep. I want that deep green. Is this color green? Anyway, I'm colorblind anyway. Never mind. So I just want to dip my crease. Then I'm going back in with Natural. Just apply that on top of the shade I used before, which is Plant. I hope you're doing well, guys. So I'm just gonna clean my lid slightly because I'm gonna do Crease. So I'm using a Garnier. Right. So I'm just saying I'm gonna cut my crease off camera. I will see you when I come back. My crease is cut now. Finally, I'm gonna use that shade called High Bridge. It's like icing. How will I describe it? Press glitter. It is icing press glitter. Just fast forward, you guys. So I'm gonna use this liquid glitter, which is very similar to that shade, the glitter I used, the pressed glitter I used before. Just pat that all over my lid, you know, to make it, you know, kind of stick together because of my hooded eye. Then again, another shade from that liquid glitter. I'm just gonna kind of draw a line on my crease to make it stand out, if you know what I mean. I'll be using this lately. I'm just gonna do my eyeliner. First, I am using L'Oreal eyeliner. It's tattoo something. Then the next one is Maybelline. So double eyeliner I'm using today because I want the eyeliner to be popping. A big eyeliner for hooded eye girls, ladies. Let me just say ladies. So I'm just gonna do my mascara. I'm using a Perfect SSL MIT Lashes by Julia. I'm using MIT 3. So just press it together. No big deal. So I'm just going to do my bottom lash now. So I started on with Leaf. Doing the other eye. I'm just going to use my Masamo, either Masamo or Primark. So it's only those two eyeliner I have, jet black. So I'm just doing my under eye. So I'm not going in now with Natural on both eyes, under my eye. Okay, I'm now using Calm on my inner corner. That shade is called Calm. That shade is so gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. It's unbelievable. Right, I'm gonna highlight under my eye. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer shade 40. That's my shade. I like Maybelline concealer a lot. I'll be using them for like forever. Running low now, guys. Just fast forward you a bit. Okay, for my contour, I'm using L'Oreal. So the shade is 8.DW Caramel Toffee. So I just, blend them together. I'm gonna set my under eye. I'm using Black Opal. I'm running low on that Black Opal. I just ordered a new one now from Amazon. It's so good. Well, on my skin too. Yes, now that is done, I'm using Sasha. That messy girl Sasha. You see, it's falling everywhere. I'm covered with it. So use Sasha to dust every area out. Revolution bronzer, mega bronzer called. Using that one to bronze that area. Not too much. I really like this bronzer lately. Here we go. So the next the shade I use here is called Haze to do my highlighter, to highlight. So camera didn't pick it up. It's called Haze. I was blown away. I was literally blown away how that shade was really good to highlight my face. Natural Collection blush is from Boots. I got it from Boots. It's really good. It's not too harsh. There we go, doing the other side. Okay, my lippy Primark lip liner and Massa More liquid lipstick. That's what I'm using. Then I will top it up with my City Girl lip gloss. I want a bit of pumping, if you know what I mean. Of course you do. Yeah, my City Girl lip gloss, just to top it up. That was just unnecessary. Well, yeah, my lip have a habit of dry and stuff like that. Just need a bit of oil, if you may. Setting my face with a Makeup Revolution. If you see my earrings, if you see my ear, Julia, get over yourself. All right, mascara, the one I used before, Perfect SSL. That is the whole face done, guys. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, guys. I will see you on my very next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.